Good morning, Panther. Happy the second day of February and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Bree.
And my name is Maya. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Heritage, in case you missed it on the announcements yesterday, stay tuned and watch the pie in the face highlights after these announcements.
A special announcement from Miss Rock, auditions for the spring show, Disney's High School Musical, will take place on Wednesday, February 7th in the choir room.
Please join the Google Classroom code up here for more information.
Students do not need to prepare anything for this audition. Please see Miss Rock if you have any questions.
Panthers, next week is Spirit Week. Let's show our school spirit by participating in next week's theme.
Monday is Blackout Day. Tuesday is African American Culture Day. Wednesday is Throwback Hip Hop Day. Thursday is HBCU Day. And Friday is Class Color Day.
Freshmen are yellow, juniors are green, sophomores are red, and seniors are black.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!